Accidentally deleted contacts on your realme? In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to restore them using Google Contacts, SIM cards, backup software, and recovery tools. Option 1. How to restore deleted contacts on realme without backup safe. When accidental deletion occurs, Mobiconductor for Android, Windows, Mac provides a reliable way to retrieve lost contacts, messages, and other data. How to use. Begin by securely rooting your realme device to allow the utility to completely detect all lost contacts. Next, install the software you have downloaded onto your computer and then launch it. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions so that the software can recognize your connected realme device. Once it is recognized, you will be directed to the main interface. Then, check the box next to the Contacts option and click Next to start a comprehensive scan. After the scan is finished, examine all the missing realme information presented on the screen. Finally, select the items you wish to recover. Click Recover to save them to your computer. Option 2. How to recover deleted contacts in realme via Google Contacts. After scanning, review the missing data and select what to recover. Click Recover to save it. On your phone, choose the source SIM or device storage. Then tap Restore and wait for contacts restored. Option 3. How to get deleted contacts back from realme via SIM card. Insert the SIM into your realme phone and open the Contacts app. Tap Organize, Fix, and Manage Import from SIM. Choose an account. Then wait for the import to finish and confirm the contacts are added. Option 4. How to retrieve deleted contacts on realme via All Backup and Restore. Install and open the app, then grant permissions to access contacts and storage. Backup contacts to your preferred storage. Locate the backup. Tap Restore and confirm. Check your Contacts app to ensure recovery.